Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 29th. Hopefully you're having a great day. Today the market looks red. In my journey to 250k, I'm currently at 131,479, down by about 1.1% for the day, which is about 1,400. For the week, still down by about 10.2%, which is about 15,000. For the month, down by about 13%, which is about 20,000. 3 month, down by about 7%, which is about 10,000. And for the year, I'm up by about 47%, which is about 42,000. So right now I wanted to kind of show you guys how to do covered calls. I think I showed you the Uber call over the weekend. What I didn't show you was how to set a stop kind of loss when you see the stock going down. I wanted to do the recording, but I didn't, so I just left it so that I can also show you the other side of it if you're not fast enough in kind of securing your profits, what happens. So, and this is what is happening on my end. You can see it's negative. We were positive over the weekend, and then the market just started tanking. For those who are wondering what's going on, we had a lot of hedge fund kind of have their margin called for the last weekend, and I think that's kind of what affected the market generally. Please remember that this is just for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence, but I'll show you how I go about doing covered calls, and we'll go to Etsy. So currently Etsy is here. I need to do a covered call. So what I do is I just check the 52-week high, which is close to 250, and since I'm like almost sure that we can't get such a rally, might be very wrong, but I usually use that as my bearing to know what position I want to take on the strikes. So I'll go trade options, and then let's choose for April 9th, and you have to select sell call. So it's a covered call. Your stocks will be the collateral, the 100 shares. So right now we are 198. So I'll go way up. So we saw the 52-week high is around 250. So I usually get something very close to the 52-week high. So let's take this 232, and it's just one contract. So I will get a credit of 110. And if we don't cross over this price, I maintain the shares as well as maintain the premium of 110. Assuming things go so well, it's all green in the market by the 9th, and it's closing above that price, then I'll be required to sell the shares of that price, and I'll have some cash. The good thing is I actually have an average cost at 82, so if I sold it for that amount, I still have some good return. So that's kind of the point of doing covered calls. You don't want to lose on a trade at all. So let's go ahead, we'll select the 9th, and we'll just go up and pick up the 232, and then one, then view. So they're asking is a bid ask spread of 0.55. So we'll do, let's see here, so we'll do 1.00, and then that's kind of how it goes. And then once that goes through, you'll be able to see the contract will be 1 of 1, and that will be locked in until that expiry date. And you can always cancel if you change your mind and come back here and cancel, assuming you are in a rush and notice things are going the opposite direction real fast. You can always counter that as well. I think the main important lesson here is to learn how to react very fast if you made a purchase or you were planning to make a sell before it goes through, just because sometimes people do things irrationally. But that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys that example. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, if you're new here, and also if you haven't, also put the notification bell on so that you can be alerted when we upload. Also subscribe, and share with your friends, comment down below and let me know if you want to get some more information about calls or options in general. Be green, be safe. See you next one. Bye.